Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I've got some good news. It's finally here. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, we're all about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow by building profitable income streams online. And the income stream we're all currently working on, hustling on at the moment is Etsy. So let's get into the topic of the video now. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I've been working on this for months now and it is finally finished, okay? And it's available to access today. My new course, Print on Demand Success Formula. So I'm gonna go over some quick details about it. But before I get into that, I just want to make one thing clear. This course is not for everybody, okay? This course is only for people really serious about building a profitable Etsy store online, okay? This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real business, okay? And this course is going to show you every step, every facet of what it takes to build a profitable Etsy store. And it's also going to show you exactly what I've done to get the results I've got, like making $100,000 in revenue in 7 months, okay? No stone is left unturned. So if you're one of those serious people that are really serious about building an Etsy store, and this is the course for you, I can say unequivocally that this is the best course on the market for building a profitable Etsy store with print-on-demand products, okay? And the way I've designed it is that every module builds on the last, okay? There's 10 modules. There's almost 4 hours worth of content in there, okay? So it's an absolute beast. There's so much content. And to put that in perspective, one of my usual YouTube videos is around 5 to 10 minutes long on average. So you're getting a wealth of information on how to build your Etsy store. So I'm going to quickly go over how I've structured it, and then you can see if it's something for you. So as I said previously, the way I've structured it is so that every module builds on the last. So if we think about a pyramid, okay, or we're building a house, you always want to get the foundation right, okay? Because we don't want to build an Etsy store on a shaky foundation. So module 1 is going to be all about making sure your Etsy store is set up correctly, choosing the right print-on-demand provider, making sure your settings are right, all of that good stuff, okay? Then module 2 is going to be all about branding, okay? And as I've said in loads of previous videos, I think branding is so important in building any long-term business, okay? And especially with Etsy, okay? Now, you're going to learn so much about branding in this course. You're going to go over exactly how to brand your store, how to come up with a name that works, how to position your store in the marketplace, how to come up with a USP. We're going to go into depth in all of that, okay? And it's really going to put you head and shoulders above anyone that isn't doing that, okay? Then module 3, we're going to go into how to find profitable niches. You're going to learn exactly what metrics I look for to find a profitable niche. You're going to learn examples. We're going to do over-the-shoulder case studies of finding profitable niches, and then coming up with ideas to put into that niche. It's going to be all in that module. Then module 4, we're going to go into how to craft the perfect listing that gets buyers to buy your products. We're going to go over how to write descriptions that sell, the right kind of product images to use and how to structure them, how to use the right keywords and tags in your listings. We're going to go over all of that, okay? Number 5, we're going to talk about pricing, how to price your products effectively to sell, to make maximum profits in, each of the, 5 markets, USA, Australia, Canada, the UK, Europe, and how to, effectively find the right price for your store that ensures that you're making the most amount of sales you can at the best profit, okay? Then number 6 We're going to go into advertising, and as I've said previously, the reason we don't start with advertising is because it's a bonus. We need to get everything else in order first. So we're going to talk about how to scale your ads effectively, how to find the right cost per clicks for your items. You know, we're going to go over everything you need to know about advertising on Etsy. Then number 7, we're going to go into customer service, you know, how to effectively deal with customers, okay, how to manage orders, you know, how to deal with custom orders, you know, how to deal with customer requests. You know, we're just going to go over how to just structure your store so it's, you know, you've got award-winning customer service, okay. Then 8, we're going to talk about social proof, okay, getting reviews. You know, we're going to talk about how to double the amount of reviews you get, you know, so that you can really start to gain traction and pull ahead from the competition on Etsy, okay. It's going to really give you the juice, okay. And then number 9, this is where things get crazy, guys. So if you've done all of the other steps that I'm going to teach you in this course, then this is where you start scaling your store, okay, and you start hitting numbers that you never thought you'd hit, okay. So we're going to talk about, you're going to learn exactly when to scale your store, how to scale your store, okay, how to scale it so you don't lose money, okay, how to keep a track of it so you know you're scaling correctly, okay. We're going to do all of that, okay. And then finally, at the top of the pyramid, module 10, we're going to talk about, you know, taking this brand that you built, all the blood, sweat and tears that you put into this amazing brand you built by now, and how to take that brand and put it on other print-on-demand platforms so that you can build and add to your bottom line, okay. So there's a lot of information in here. You know, I'm really excited to share this with you guys that are interested, and that is not even including the bonuses. Probably the best bonus of all is my private Facebook group that you're going to get access to as a member of this course, where if you have any questions about the course or your store, or you want to spitball some ideas, I'm going to be in there to answer any of your questions. So, as I said previously, there's a lot of content here, a lot of content that is going to really help the people that are really serious about building a long-term Etsy store. All the content's here and everything I've used to build the store the way I have, okay? So, if you're interested, links in the description, and for all early birds that get in within the next 72 hours, there's going to be a 20% discount off the cost price of the course, okay? So, for the people that are interested, I look forward to, you know, getting to know you, you know, and sort of helping you along with your journey. And for everyone else, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.